What's referred to as a PIC module. It's a very mechanical device. The uses for GT85 within these devices is huge. There's a lot of grease build-up from previous maintenance attempts. There's a lot of mechanical moving parts all the way around. Again, cleaning gears is fairly essential on these. All of the shafts run on Teflon bearings, which are in here. They're very small black bearings, and they don't last very long. So again, once you start getting build-up within the teeth, the gears are pushed apart, the bearings start to wear, and when the bearings start to wear, you get play in the shafts. The gears then don't mesh correctly, and you end up with endless PIC failures and jams. It would be the same on a photocopy or high volume printer or anything like this. It would be very much the same thing. So we clear we ensure they're all.
Got it, Kurt.
You go through the clutch on this one, mate. Your
clutch and the solenoids. We use it on the solenoids here. These get lubricated in the push solenoids there, just so that everything's a lot freer, because these get all gooed up with all sorts of horrible dust and goo. And the clutches as well are supposed to be nice and loose, but they build up as well.
And they're nylon, those rollers?
Yeah, it works perfectly good on all nylons and plastics.
Yeah,
all the gears will be lubricated before they're covered up.
Yeah.
You see here the covers do tend to keep a lot of the dirt in, which is not so great, but the plastics will all be cleaned up and look like new once they get a good coating of that. And of course the PTFE in it just keeps everything smooth. There's a big difference between hearing it running as is in this condition to when it's fully refurbished. It's a very smooth running machine. So.
And there aren't many oils or certainly spray oil combinations that you'd be happy to use on solenoid actuators or clutch actuators or anything, because of the lightness of the material as well as its lubrication properties. If you put anything else on a solenoid actuator, it doesn't take at all long to start attracting hideous amounts of dust, and they rattle and they hum and they don't correctly function, and not good at all. Yeah, that's